Hello everyone, I'm Morgan, the Principal Engineer of Nuvoton Technology. Today, I will show you how to use SD card with Mbed OS on NuMaker-IoT-M487 development board. Open Chrome browser and enter the URL ide.mbed.com to use the Mbed Online Compiler. After login, make sure that NuMaker-IoT-M487 board already selected in the upper right corner. If not, please refer Nuvoton IoT tutorial series. Get started with Mbed OS, which has a detailed description of how to add a board. Click the New on the menu bar. A Create New Program window will be displayed. You can see the platform has been set to NuMaker-IoT-M487. In the template, select the NuMaker SD-File-System with SD mode. For this tutorial, then click OK. Now, you can see that the sample code has loaded on the page. LittleFS uses this memory supports power failure protection. However, LittleFS is different from the FAT file system. So after use LittleFS, the SD card will be formatted as LittleFS. The sample code uses FAT file system as default. So just click Compile to build the example. It is in compiling. Please wait a moment. After the compilation is complete, success will appear in the Compile output window. The browser downloads the binary firmware file directly after a successful compiling. It will be saved in a default download folder or a folder based on your browser setting. In Chrome, you can click Downloaded File and select Show in Folder. Please insert a micro SD card into the card slot on the back of NuMaker-IoT-M487 board. Then connect the USB to your computer and make sure the onboard LED lights up. Let's back to the folder you just downloaded the binary firmware file. Drag and drop the file to NuMaker MCU drive. You will see the Copy Progress dialog box. Please find the virtual COM port assigned for NuMaker-IoT-M487 in Device Manager. In the tutorial, the new link virtual COM port is COM6. Then use your favorite terminal tool. Here we use PuTTY. Open the COM6 port with 115,200 baud rate, no flow control, and open it. Press the reset button on board to run the firmware again. You can see the message on terminal while accessing SD card. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Welcome to subscribe to our channel. If you want to get more information, please contact us, sales support@nuvoton.com.